Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for December 16 to 31, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check my Shopee, available ang mga protection and prosperity items, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. And if you are also interested in money bowls, ayan, so available din yan sa ating Shopee. Pakicheck nyo na lang. So, let's see Capricorn, what's up with you? Energy update, second half ng December. Okay. Wow. Okay, so your overall energy is the Six of Wands. Success. Marami kang projects ngayon. You are surrounded by a lot of people. Sinusuportahan ka sa mga ginagawa mo. Some of you are nasa spotlight, no? Tipong you are being seen by a lot of people. You may be in the public eye, public service, or pwedeng nasa social media rin kayo. And kung hindi naman, this is just, the area or the field where you are working, no? So, pwedeng ikaw ay kilala, no? Popular ka sa area na yan. And people are admiring you, no? Marami kang admirers. You have the Five of Cups. Okay, I think kahit na meron kayong na-achieve na certain level of success, marami pa rin kayong regrets. Marami pa rin kayong parang iniisip nyo na yung mga missed opportunities ninyo, yung mga bagay na hindi nyo pinagtuunan ng pansin, kaya nawala sa inyo. So, ngayon, iniisip nyo siguro na there are still a lot of opportunities for you as long as you know how to take care of them. Okay? So, pagpapahalaga sa kung ano yung meron ka. And don't worry kasi hindi naman lahat yan mawawala sa'yo or nawala sa'yo. It's just a matter of being grateful for the blessings that you have because you are already successful in your own right, no? Successful ka na. Kailangan lang is count your blessings, no? May mga bagay na tinatanggal sa atin or nawawala sa atin dahil meron na tayong kailangang i-pursue na ibang bagay, okay? So, for your challenge is the Three of Pentacles. I think as a challenge, yung iba sa inyo na medyo nahihirapan na mag-open up sa iba or makipag-collaborate or to work with other people. Kasi sometimes, you feel like, threat sila sa'yo or feeling mo, hindi sila makakatulong sa'yo. Yung iba sa inyo, Capricorn, may trust issues na kayo. That's why, pagdating ng mga offers ng collaboration, umiiwas na kayo or pwedeng you just want to work alone or by yourself. I think this time, no, it is also parang it's like an opportunity for you to work with other people. Kung meron kang opportunity na makasalamuha yung iba, connect with them, to network. Kasi ano pa rin yan connections pa rin yan And these connections might bring you new opportunities na hindi mo alam, okay? So with the King of Cups as your opportunity, I see someone na not actually spying on you but observing you, no? May nag-o-observe sa'yo in what you do. But this person is someone na very caring. Oh, diba? You have the Lovers. This person it's like meron pang deep feelings towards you, pero pwedeng hindi na niya masabi or ma-express yung feelings niya. Parang pinagmamasdan ka lang from afar, no? Oo. But I think meron ding opportunity for you to meet and talk and sit down at pag-usapan kung ano yung naging reason bakit may umiiwas. And maari rin, kasi as an opportunity, this is about commitment. So maaring meron kang papasuking commitment. This can be sa career, sa business, or even romantic connections. na kung saan you are going to be deeply involved with this, na parang andun talaga yung care mo, yung love mo towards that commitment, towards that project, towards that business or career. The Hanged Man is your blessing. Alam nyo, may mga bagay na hindi matutuloy or hindi mangyayari na gusto mong mangyari. It's the way of the universe to protect you. Okay? With the Hanged Man, may mga delays, may mga pagtigil, but consider that as a blessing. Consider that as a redirection. Yes. See, I was just talking about protection, and Seven of Wands is protecting your energies. Okay? So, that's a blessing sa'yo. Na pag may nakita ka, na-experience ka na, uy, parang ang tagal mangyari nito, or bakit nade-delay ito, bakit parang hindi to nagkakaroon ng progress. It's because you are being protected from something na hindi makakabuti sa'yo. So, may redirection ako nakikita for you here. Okay? So, let's see what else for Capricorn. You have ostentation, Saturn in Taurus in the second house. Second house is about your money, your finances, your abilities. Meron ditong Saturn. So, I think mas magiging maingat or maayos ka or disiplinado ka sa pag-handle ng finances mo ngayong second half ng December. You have Saturn in Sagittarius in the 9th house. So, some of you, maaring itong delay na to na sinasabi ko sa inyo is related sa travel. Pwedeng travel or opportunities abroad. Kasi parang parang piniprepare ka for something better. Okay? Tingnan mo siya. Hindi siya para siyang naiwanan dito ng barko. So, without this person knowing na sa tabi niya pala may pera. 'Di ba? So, parang ang sinasabi rito is meron kang missed opportunities. Akala mo it was a missed opportunity, but actually, you are being led to a treasure. May treasure pala. Kaya pala naiwan ka ng barko kasi katabi mo yung treasure of money. So, that's what I'm seeing for you, Capricorn. Meron mang akala mo na na-miss mo na opportunity, but it's actually a blessing in disguise para sa'yo. You have Jupiter in Virgo in the 6th house. So, patience. It's like a message for you na you need to remain patient sa mga goals mo. For as long as you're doing the work, you're doing what is necessary. Okay? It means na may progress yon. Pwedeng hindi mo lang nakikita. Kailangan mo lang na mas maging hopeful, mas maging patient about the outcome. Okay? And just do whatever you think you can do. Like, do your best. Yung iba sa inyo may talent sa content creation. Your words are also powerful. It can influence other people. So, pwedeng meron kayong susubukan na career related sa public speaking. Yes, educator. Yan. So, maaring iba sa inyo may opportunity na maging professor, teacher, mentor, coach, trainer. And magiging maingat daw kayo sa pagdedesisyon pagdating sa inyong kaperahan. Yes, na hindi laging palabas ang pera. So, pagdating sa relationship, may past life, may secrets, and financial. Okay. So, some of you, maaring merong marireveal na person from the past na meron palang naging issue, no, sa inyong finances. Like, for example, itong person from the past na to, ma-realize mo na meron siyang mga kinuha sa'yo na hindi mo pala yun alam, no, na kinuha sa'yo. So, later mo na lang malalaman. And may mga revelation din ng person from the past. But I think this is unnecessary na for you. Ang importante na lang dito is you know how to move on and move forward from this. Okay? Work through your fears. New Moon in Scorpio. Yes. And then, confidence is your key to success. So, this makes sense kasi may mga bagay na minsan kinakatakutan natin gawin kasi akala natin hindi natin kaya or medyo risky. But, yung confidence mo, yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo, yun yung magdadala sa'yo sa success, sa tagumpay, o release control. May mga bagay na hindi tayo kontrolado sa mundo. Just go with the flow. Kung saan ka nililid, ibig sabihin, dun ka talaga, no? Minsan kasi, yun nga, sometimes delays are protection. So, let's see what else, Capricorn. So, you have the 5th house, and then Leo, and Venus. Oh, maraming mga fun moments ngayong second half ng December for you, Capricorn. This can be related to dating or spending time with your family, with your loved ones. Marami kang mga creative na gagawin ngayong second half ng December. And hindi mo rin kakalimutan na mag-spend ng time sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, lalo na sa mga anak mo, no? Kung meron ka ng anak, or just to bring out the child in you and have fun and seize the moment, okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.